Hi everybody and welcome. So in today's video we're going to be going over the solutions to the 1.7 study guide. So just a reminder, these study guide videos, these are just here to help you check your answers, and I'm just talking out loud as I do them. If you're looking for more guided support on the basics of the questions, you'll want to take a look back at your notes and the notes video from the day that the notes were taken. So if you have any issues finding that, let me know, but the video here today is just, like I said, just going over the answers one step at a time. So for the first question, we just want to solve for our missing angle here, angle X, and that should be drawn in, so my bad for that not being included. So we're trying to look for this angle here that's missing. So what we can see is the entire angle from start to finish is 80 degrees, so that is our whole, and we have two parts that make it up. So the way that we want to write this out is we have part plus part equals whole. So the whole thing, that's where the 80 degrees comes in, and the two parts that we have are the pieces that make up that 80 degrees. So 56 is going to be part, and then X is the other part. Once we have this equation written out, that's our goal, we can now solve it. So if we have 56 plus X equals 80, we can now subtract 56 on both sides. And we'll get a final answer of X equals 24. And that is our missing angle. For our second one, we want to identify that we have two straight lines intersecting. Two straight lines intersecting make vertical angles for the non-adjacent terms. So the two angles we have here, 9y plus 7 and 2y plus 98, those are going to be the same for us. So because they are congruent, we are able to set them equal to each other. And once these are set equal to each other, we can finish up and solve. So put all of the y's on one side, put all of the constants or numbers on the other side. So subtract 2y over here. And then now we can subtract our number. And then once we've done that, we have 7 y's on the left side, 91 on our right side. We can go ahead and do our division step. So we'll get a final answer of y equals 13 here. For our third question, we are taking a look at perpendicular angle properties. So if you recall in class, we had the example where we have one 90-degree angle. And we know if we have a straight line, a linear pair, that this adds up to 180. So that means that the other angle next to it also must be 90. And then vertical angles across are also 90. What that tells us is if we look at this as a whole angle from here to here, this whole angle is also going to be 90 degrees. So we can set up the same framework that we did for the first question, where we have part plus part equal to whole. So the first part that we have is the 12x minus 1 part. The second part we have is the 10x plus 3 part. And the whole, the measure of everything together, that's where the 90 degrees comes in. So putting our like terms together, we get 22x plus 2. So 12x and 10x gets us 22. And then minus 1 and positive 3 gets us positive 2. And then from here, we just finish up solving. Subtract 2 from both sides to get all the x's on the left. Divide by 22. And we get an answer of x equals 4. For our final question, we are looking at linear pairs. So if we have a straight line, we know that this entire straight line, the degree measure of this is 180 degrees. So we're going to go back to that part plus part equals whole framework again. So the whole is 180. And the two parts we have are 7x and 5x. So putting these things together, we're going to put 12x equals 180. We do want to divide each side by 12. And after dividing by 12, we get a final answer of x equals 15. So again, just the answers here, nothing more. If you need more support, let us know. but hopefully this helped you review what you got for the study guide.